Hello, and welcome to SMS Marketing Tutorials. Today, we're going to see how to upload contacts manually using a CSV or Excel file. Let's get started. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. For this video, we will create a new list. But you can use the same steps to upload contacts for existing lists as well. Click on Subscribers. Then click on the plus button to create a new list. Give the list a name. This is for internal reference only. Before we add contacts to our list, let's edit our custom fields. Custom fields are additional data you can upload to personalize a message. To edit custom fields, click on Actions at the top. Then click on Update Custom Fields. You can edit the custom fields as you'd like depending on what your needs might be. Now, let's add contacts to the list. Click on Subscribers and select the particular list from the drop-down. Click the Upload CSV button. You can either add contacts manually by typing in the name and phone number. The email and other custom fields are optional. You can also import the contacts as CSV or Excel files. Make sure to review the format of the sample CSV or Excel spreadsheet format. The file should be formatted as the following sample file. Mobile numbers should be the first field, name should be the second. Email address, if available, should be the third field, and any custom fields should follow. Each contact should be separated by line feed. Click on Upload a file to select the file you want to import. Be sure to check the No Spam Declaration checkbox before importing contacts. As you can see, all contacts from the sample file have been added. Now, click on the Save button to save contacts to the list. Once contacts are imported, they'll appear in your subscribers list once it's processed. Click on Manage Subscribers. As you can see, the uploaded contact information is now available in the list. Thanks for watching.